Well, the 4.0 is still under construction. And in the meantime, we did a little work on the 4-cylinder 5-speed. Yesterday it was raining and light hail and everything, but we did it anyway. We washed it, which by itself isn't worth a video, but this thing was just covered in grease. I mean, all the way up to the windshield. So we scrubbed it with the orange stuff there and the orange stuff there, all from whatever, the dollar store or something. And we mixed half of orange stuff with half of Dawn dishwashing liquid in that little bucket. And it worked. It got about half the grease off, but then I started pre-treating it with that and it took all the damn grease off. I mean, this panel here, everything was just unbelievably coated in grease. So because of that, there's some things we can see that we didn't see before. But anyway, it looks a little nicer. We didn't even do the windows because I don't care. I didn't want it clean. I just wanted it degreased. So here it is. Oh man. Look at that. Yeah, I don't know how that got in there, but boy, if you rubbed your hand across it, it'd tear you a new one, wouldn't it? Anyway, so it's in a lot better shape. I still got to get some of the, my girlfriend says try the Goo Gone on the kick panels. You can see we didn't even do the bottom here, but that's this combination we came up with of orange cleaner and Dawn didn't take that stuff off. So I figured we got it, that's another round, but at least it's clean for right now. It's not drivable because it needs a clutch and God knows what else it needs in there, but at least it's clean. Let's see how the other side come out. Yeah, you can't see it as well, but it's not bad. Just, I don't wash my vehicles hardly ever, but man, fingerprints and grease and stuff are just not cool. Anyway, this, compared to the other one, is a genuine AMC Jeep, 1986. It's all AMC. So, anyway, just wanted to show our hard work from yesterday since the sun's blasting this panel right here really well. Got some flaws in it, but yeah, you know, for 30 plus years old, it's not the end of the world. Just need to get it finished. Yeah, that's it for now. See you, bye.